How to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. So if your WhatsApp videos aren't playing audio, follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your WhatsApp app. If it's already open, swipe it away to close it completely, then relaunch it. Sometimes just restarting the app solves the problem. Next, check your phone's sound settings. Make sure your device isn't in silent or vibrate mode. On an iPhone, flip the ringer switch on the side so it's on. If you have a newer iPhone with an action button, press and hold it or go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration to turn off silent mode. Now, swipe down your control center and make sure Do Not Disturb is off. Also, check that your volume is turned up, either with the buttons or the on-screen slider. Another thing to check is Bluetooth. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, and make sure your phone isn't connected to another device, like headphones or speakers, because WhatsApp might be sending audio there instead. If it's still not working, update WhatsApp. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if available. If it says Open, your app is already up to date. Updating often fixes bugs that could cause sound issues. Still no luck? Try deleting and reinstalling WhatsApp. Don't worry, deleting the app won't delete your account. Long press the app, tap Delete App, then reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store and sign back in. Next, restart your phone. On iPhones, press Volume Up plus Side button together, slide to power off, then turn it back on with the side button. You can also ask Siri to restart my iPhone, or use the power icon from the top menu. Finally, make sure your phone's software is up to date. Go to Settings, About Phone, and install any updates. Outdated software can sometimes cause apps like WhatsApp to misbehave. And that's it. By following these steps, your WhatsApp status sound should be back to normal.